Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Shenandoah, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving your home or office over a 200-mile or 2,000-mile distance is considered long distance. Long-distance moves involve a lot of tiring jobs that need to be done properly. Hiring a moving company means taking the load off your shoulders. Long-distance moves involve a lot of tiring jobs that need to be done properly. Hiring a moving company would mean taking a load off your work and giving it to professionals. 3 Movers are such a moving company that knows the particular demands of a long-distance move. In addition, our moving experts have all the expertise required to perform all jobs efficiently. Are you looking for local movers in Shenandoah? Our Shenandoah local movers are just a phone call away. Here's what we can help you with your local move. Special item moving, piano moving, packing, unpacking, loading, and unloading. We also offer every moving service you may require during your move, so contact us today to have a stress-free move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Shenandoah moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, residential moving, furniture moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.